Hi guys, this is Catherine Weathersby, and I am the box truck business strategist on YouTube. And today I want to talk to you about this form that I created for those of you who want to schedule a strategy session to get your box truck business up and running properly. So I've been getting a lot of these requests and a lot of applications in the last 3 days. I've been inundated with applications. And the problem is that people are not filling it out correctly. So today I want to do a short video and show you exactly what you should do when you get to this form, which is in the description box under this video and all of my videos dealing with box truck business strategy. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put in your name. Okay, so your email. So you want to put your email address here. Okay, so let me do something real quick. And these fields here are they're mandatory because this is the information that I need to capture to get back in contact with you to set up your appointment. So we're going to use that as the email, and we'll wait for it to go ahead and go to the next section of the application. Okay, so the strategy session, you just answer these questions. Okay, and then once you answer these questions, then I will be in contact with you. So you want to put in your first and last name here, because it seems like people are a bit confused when they get to this form. So I restructure it. Okay, so now it's asking for your best email. So I'll take that first email off and we'll use this as the email. Best phone number goes here. So okay, you want to put in your street address, because in the future I may send out books to you. I may send out like bonuses to you if you invest in the strategy sessions, if you invest in the courses, if you invest in the business credit course. Then I will probably be sending you something in a physical form. So that's why you want to put your information here. And if you have an apartment, add your apartment number here. Okay, then your city and state. As I stated, I may be sending you something in the mail, so you always want to, enter all the information accurately. You never know what I may decide to offer. And if you are someone who has purchased a strategy session, then you may receive a free bonus, okay, for future offerings or discount. So probably like a coupon code or promo code. Okay, do you have an LLC? That's self-explanatory as well. You put your information in. Do you currently own a box truck? It could be yes or no. Okay. Do you need help with a successful strategy for your box truck business? Well, if you're applying for a strategy session, the answer would be, of course, yes. Okay, so this is the point that people are coming to and they don't seem to know what to do. So here you want to list the questions that you have, whether you are just starting out as a newbie or whether you are currently in a box truck business, okay? So you would put, so whatever strategies we discuss, we're also going to discuss your questions. So what you want to do is you want to ask questions. I would like more information on how to acquire a contract for my box truck. Okay, and then you will go on and on and on. So if you have 12 questions, then you will list them in. And those 12 questions will be discussed during the strategy session. Now, I want to go back up to this link here. This is the link here where you go and you pay. So what this says is, please indicate when you would like to schedule your session. I'm going to put a line here so you can put, like, give me an option. Give me 2 options and give me evening, afternoon, or morning. And then that way, I don't know how to go about setting it up time-wise, how to block out some time on my schedule, because it's getting very, very, very busy. And a lot of people are coming in. It's that time of the year. For me, I'm also busy because this is moving season, and we do moving. So I'm involved with a lot of people this time of the year. So it's important that when you come to the site that you answer the questions fully. So that way I don't have to guess. I don't have to follow back up with a call. I don't have to go back and forth and wait for you to respond. I know exactly what you're looking for. I know what days you're available. I know what days, what time of the day you are interested in. And then I'm not just, randomly trying to select the appointment time for you. So you go here where it says 1 hour strategy session, okay? And so that will take you to the payment page. You need to go ahead after you determine what 2 days or 3 days options you have, morning, afternoon, or evening. Then you will come here and you will go ahead and you will pay for your strategy session. Once you pay for that strategy session, I will contact you, not before, because as I stated, I'm very busy. I have other people that are scheduling their, strategy sessions. They're coming in, they're doing the right things. They're doing, everything that they're supposed to do, including paying for their session. So then I'm able right away to get them scheduled and get their, session in full effect. So they don't have to worry about, asking me questions. You see that the price of the session is $300, and I have added a bonus. So you get the 1 hour session, and now you get a 30-minute Q&A one-on-one. Both sessions are one-on-one. You get the 1 hour for the $300 plus the 30-minute Q&A business strategy. So that means once you start doing the things that we discussed in the strategy session and you have questions about whatever it is, then I will schedule a second meeting with you for that fee, okay? So you get an hour and you get 30 minutes, okay? So that means that you have to be taking notes. You have to sit down. You have to figure out what exactly questions that you have. Be specific as possible, because those are the things that are going to help you to, get your business going, or if you have an existing business, to scale your business to even get bigger. So you may be thinking about purchasing a second, third, fourth, fifth truck. You may be thinking about, buying an additional truck, a van. You could be buying a cargo van, 2 cargo vans, a fleet of cargo, whatever it is that you're looking for, you need to come to the meeting prepared. Do not come to the meeting in expectation that I'm going to just, present a whole lot of information, because some of it you may not need. So I'm tailoring this to your needs. That is why you need to come over here. You need to put your session in, and then you can do follow-up sessions. You can come back to this link as many times as you want to. It just depends on, what you need, how you need it, etc. So then you come here and you see that it says 1 hour business strategy session with me, and the 30-minute bonus I'm going to add to this card as well, and then you can check out. So, you need to put in your information, to check out. You need to put in your credit card information, your debit card information, your name, your email, your phone number. And so this just, it simplifies the process. Credit card number, the expiration date, 3 numbers on the back, and the zip code that your billing of your credit card comes in, and you place your order. It's that simple, okay? So that is what I need you to do in order to help me help you, okay? To expedite the process is very easy. It's an e-delivery. So, we're going to have a strategy session either face-to-face, or we're going to do it over the phone. Whichever one you prefer, fine with me, okay? So that is that, okay? If we have a technical issue, we will be on the phone, okay? Because sometimes, internet being what it is, net neutrality. There's times when the internet goes out intermittently. Sometimes it's out for 15 minutes. Sometimes it's 2, 3, 4 hours. I have the best internet money can buy. It does not guarantee that it's always available. So if we can't do it for whatever reason, you're out. You're about. I'm out. I'm about. More than likely, the primary will be the phone. If you are tech, you understand technology, you don't have a problem with it, then it will be through something called Zoom. And Zoom is something you can download to your phone. You can also download it to your laptop or your desktop. So this is the link you need to click. Just filling this out, you haven't finished. You have to go then, and you have to pay for your session. And then, like I said, I'm going to put a text box in here where you can tell me or give me an option of what days, you're available, because I'm scheduling other people and I don't want to, duplicate my time, slots, because then that's going to create a problem for everybody. So let's do this. Let's be, alert, and let's get this done in a, simplified manner so that we, can be on the same page. We'll be on the same wavelength in terms of getting the strategy session, scheduled and get you going. Okay. Because it's summer, most people want to get started right away. Most people want the information, they're ready to go. And there's a process, you're not gonna, just walk in day one and everything's gonna be complete. This is a process. So just be aware that when you go through this session, there are things that you're gonna have to do on your end. Okay. I am a consultant, so I am directing you through the process, who to contact, how to go about getting information, how to go about getting an LLC, how about going, getting all the things that you need, but you're going to have to go to these websites. You're going to have to be proficient in getting things done, and you can't procrastinate. Once you start this process, you got to see it through until you're in a position that you need to be to get your box truck on the road. Okay? So this is the information. I will contact you when I receive a notification that you have paid for your session, not before, because I've been very explicit in what it entails. It entails, giving you strategy. You got to know your numbers. So when you come, come to me as a business person. Okay, this is what I have. This is what I want to do. This is the type of capital I'm using, because we got to look at your numbers. You got to know your numbers. And you never come to a business strategy session not knowing your numbers. You must have some idea of what you're going to spend, okay, because it takes money to make money. So bring all your your documentation with you to the meeting so that if you have a question, it can be addressed, in an expedient manner. And we want to get you on the road. We want to get your trucks going so you can start making revenue. The goal is for you to make money. Okay? So come with that strategy in mind. Come with the mindset that you're going to have all, you're going to listen, you're going to take action. This is not for you just to take the information and put it on a notepad and, lay it on your bed table. No, this is for you to come in, for us to do the things to make this an expedient process where you're going from point A to point Z, okay? And getting your truck on the road so that you can make income and revenue, because a truck that's just sitting is not a truck that is producing for a business. And the whole goal is to create a business and to create revenue and profits, okay? So that is all. I want to be sure to go through this with you so that you know exactly where to go, okay? Once again, to pay for your strategy session, which now is 1 hour and 30 minutes. And the 30 minutes is the follow-up, okay? If you need more than 30 minutes, if you need more time with me, I don't have a problem with that. But this particular strategy session is an hour and 30 minutes. If you want more than that, you are welcome to purchase more than that. But this is your starter session, okay? Now, I am going to be putting a link in the description box as well for business credit. Okay, there's a course. It's $7 to get started, and it takes you through the process of how to use and generate, get business credit versus personal credit. I'm going to put that description link in the box below, so look for that. As I stated, I'm very busy, um, you know, with moves, very busy generating leads for business owners who are doing like seasonal summer business. So I will be available to you once you pay for your session. So I appreciate everybody that is booking their sessions. I appreciate everybody that's coming in and getting it done, doing it, so we can, be expedient and getting it going, so you can go do the things that you need to do in your local area to get your box truck on the road. Okay. So thank you to everybody who's, um, you know, purchasing the strategy session. Thank you to everybody who's interested and has, sent some communication to me. And for those of you who have not filled out the form correctly, please watch this video, look at how it needs to be done, go back and redo it for me. I won't mention any names, but there are quite a few that did not follow directions, and so therefore I don't have sufficient information to reach out to you. If you don't even put your name on the form, then I don't even know who I'm talking to, okay? So make sure that you're doing the things that are required on the form, because then that helps me help you, okay? And we're not wasting each other's time. So with that, I want to thank everybody, all my new subscribers. I want to say thank you for joining the channel. If you are on my main channel, I want to invite you to go to the new channel, which is Box Truck Business Strategist. Okay, so go over there. That is where I will be placing most of the videos is dealing with box trucks. Now I will be doing some videos on moving for the summer. I will be doing some videos on different topics. I plan to do another video today about mindset and how you need to invest in yourself. Okay. Before you invest in anything, you need to get self-education. You need to invest in you. So once again, I'm going to put the link in the description box below for the form. I'll put the link in the description box below for my main channel, for the new channel. And I'm also going to put the business, use business credit versus personal credit and how to get credit. Okay. So those will be below. And I look forward to talking to you soon. For those of you who have booked your strategy sessions, I look forward to meeting you. For those who are working on it, I look forward to meeting you sometime in the near future. So you have a great day. Talk to you soon.